Hello, I'm Paul from Bezla, and in this program I'm going to suggest some smart strategies for hotel renovation. The Fisherman's Wharf area of San Francisco is a well-known and popular tourist attraction. The area was developed based on the historic fact that in the latter half of the 19th century, immigrants made their living by catching fish and crabs in the wharf area. A number of hotels have become established in the locality, and one in particular has used the character of the area to create a themed experience. A local team, including a historian, a designer, a construction manager and a builder, was recruited for the project to create an authentic Fisherman's Wharf experience. Renovation focused on areas that would have the greatest impact on guest experience. Heavy curtains and chandeliers were used to provide a sense of sanctuary for guests. The lobby was transformed with new carpet, tiling, furniture and lighting. White tablecloths were replaced by reclaimed wood. A new colour scheme was introduced, and a zinc countertop bar significantly increased seating capacity. Average daily rate penetration increased from 90 to 95% to 105 to 110%, and the hotel's TripAdvisor ranking jumped from 60 to 26, the highest of any Wharf hotel. The renovation increased revenue but also gave the hotel broader appeal. Design can greatly influence guests' decisions. Many hoteliers have recognised the importance of renovation in key areas: building exteriors, lobbies and breakfast rooms, and guest rooms. The right investment, sensibly made along with proper positioning within the marketplace, can increase revenue and profit. The value of high-impact areas should not be underestimated. If the exterior of a property isn't appealing or guests discover an outdated lobby, they may dismiss the hotel. Simple things like colour schemes can have a significant impact. As industry prospects improve, many owners are in a better position to invest in renovations with the hope of raising rates and profit. A recent report estimates that investment in refurbishment increases over 30% year on year. Although hotel owners are increasing spend on property improvements, they're doing so selectively. Smart renovations can help owners get the best return on investment while remaining within their budget. Analysis by one major chain shows that guest room and public space renovations produce on average 23% revenue increase, with guest satisfaction scores increased by 16%. For hotel franchisees, as design concepts and other brand standards evolve, the challenge is finding a plan that fulfills the brand's vision and meets the owner's budget. Brand standards typically require updating at 6 to 8 year intervals. Brands want to ensure they're staying fresh by changing, modifying and keeping exciting and relevant to the public. One tactic owners can use to identify potential problems and develop a more reliable plan is renovating one model room before embarking on the full renovation. The model room approach is a key component of ensuring that all parties are happy with the design and, if you're rolling out across hundreds or even thousands of rooms, the budget. In some cases, owners may elect to skip the model room and get straight down to business. However, this can be a false economy. One contractor recently began renovations for a client, but things didn't go entirely to plan. The wallpaper didn't come off as cleanly as hoped and left behind significant glue residue. When the contractors decorated the first room as specified, remove wallpaper, lightly sand the drywall, put up new wallpaper, the old glue showed right through. Although it was a minor issue in the overall scheme, it did require adjustment to the plan, which could have been avoided by undertaking a model room. Other problems often encountered during renovations include mould and mildew, water leaks and broken drywall. And of course, until you start, you simply don't know. To summarise, it's important for owners to invest in renovations to maintain market position and relevance, but they need to be smart about how much they spend. If assets are allowed to deteriorate, they will go downhill fast. Guests notice when hotels aren't up to par, and once you lose them, it's very hard to win them back. Extensive pre-planning, establishing a reasonable budget, clearly defining objectives, and recruiting a reliable team will all help smooth renovations. Whatever the scale of the renovation project, success or failure is directly linked to how much effort you put in up front. If we could be of assistance in your hotel marketing, visit our website at bezla.com or call us on 888 999 8086. Thank you for watching.